Hello, everyone. Welcome to the NT Trading. Indian markets have extended their upward journey for the third consecutive week, driven by the strength of bulls. Despite some selling pressure from foreign institutional investors, the market has risen over 1%, thanks to strong buying by domestic institutional investors and a rally in sectors like auto, oil and gas, metals, and pharmaceuticals. Additionally, factors like softer oil prices, last week's significant U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut, and China's economic stimulus have further fueled market momentum. The Nifty 50 index soared by 1.5% this week, closing above the 26,000 mark for the first time at 26,179 points. Similarly, the BSE Sensex jumped 1.2%, climbing above the 85,000 mark for the first time, closing at 85,572 points. This impressive performance comes amid strong D2 inflows and global tailwinds. Looking ahead, experts believe that the overall market sentiment may remain positive, although some consolidation is likely. The focus will shift toward key economic data points in the coming truncated week. We'll be watching the manufacturing and services PMI numbers, monthly auto sales, U.S. jobs data, and a speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. On the sectoral front, attention could turn towards the IT and banking sectors, as many companies are set to release their pre-quarterly updates next week. Meanwhile, the market will remain closed on October 2nd in observance of Gandhi Jayanti, but activity will quickly resume with critical data releases on the horizon. Globally, investors are eagerly awaiting Jerome Powell's speech on September 30th, which will likely provide insights into the future trajectory of U.S. monetary policy. Additionally, key U.S. economic indicators such as the JOLTS job openings, non-farm payrolls, and unemployment rate will be closely monitored. These data points could influence global markets, including India's. In addition, manufacturing and services PMI data for September from major economies like the U.S., China, Japan, and Europe will also capture market participants' attention, as they will offer clues about global economic health. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East have also been a point of concern. However, Brent crude futures fell by 3.66% last week, wiping out the previous week's gains and closing at $71.95 a barrel. This decline in oil prices is favorable for oil-importing nations like India, offering a breather to the Indian economy. On the domestic front, several crucial data releases are scheduled for next week. These include fiscal deficit figures, infrastructure output for August, and India's current account and external debt numbers for the June quarter of 2024, all of which are due on September 30th. Additionally, final manufacturing and services PMI data for September will be released on October 1st and October 4th, respectively. Auto sales data for September from original equipment manufacturers will also be a key focus area. This is expected to provide insights into the state of the Indian automotive sector, which has been witnessing strong demand. FII sold 3,933 rupees crore worth of shares in the cash segment last week, but they remain net buyers for September, with purchases totaling 22,404 rupees crore. Meanwhile, DIIs made massive purchases, buying 15,962 rupees crore worth of shares in the last week alone, taking their total monthly inflow to 24,212 rupees crore. In conclusion, while the market remains optimistic, key events and data points in the coming week will likely set the tone for future performance. Investors will closely monitor domestic and global developments to navigate through the upcoming economic landscape. Thank you for tuning in, and stay informed as we continue to track the latest trends in the Indian markets. This video is made for educational purposes only. Please don't make any investment decisions based on it. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.